Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own acrylic nails at home. So on this table I have all the equipment that I'll be needing for today's look, so let's get right into it. This is what my nails currently look like. I'm just going to start by cutting them because I feel like they're a bit too long, so I'm just going to cut that really quick. Now I'm going to use this cuticle pusher just to push back my cuticles. I'm going to hold it at a 45-degree angle so that I don't destroy my cuticle ends. Now I'm just going to go in with this pointy drill bit to get rid of any dead cells that may be lingering around my cuticle area. I'm just going to follow up with a round drill bit to get rid of any cells that the pointy drill bit did not remove. This is what my nail is looking like. I'm just gonna use this brush to remove any dust that is lingering around my nails. Now I'm just gonna go in with this sanding band to remove the shine on my nail so that the acrylic and nail sticks very well. You want to make sure that you get rid of all the shine because it also helps to prevent lifting. This is what it looks like. And it's time to add the nail tips. I'm going to be using the Sassy nail glue to apply the false nails onto my nail. I'm just going to measure and apply .
Too often, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Okay guys, now all the nails are on. I'm just gonna cure for about 30 seconds.
And I'm gonna go in with this nail clipper to cut my nails to my desired length. Now I'm gonna go in with this file just to shape my nails up a bit. Okay, this is the shape that I went for, nothing too crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the sanding band once again to smoothen the area where the false nails and my natural nail meet. Get rid of all the dust. Now I'm gonna go in with my primer and we can start applying the acrylic. So today's liquid and powder is by Sassy. I'm just gonna pour some into this glass that I have here, and we're going to need some tissue as well as some nail brushes. Just going to dip my brush into the acrylic liquid and dry it on the tissue, and I'm just going to go in to the liquid, then the acrylic powder, and we have our very first bead. I'm going to place the bead right above where my natural nail and the fake nails meet, and I'm just going to work it all the way down to the tip of the nail.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Now I'm going to create my bead, and I'm going to place it not too far away from my cuticle area, and I am going to work it into the cuticle area and drag it down to blend it with the rest of the acrylic. Now we're going to repeat those steps on the rest of my nails. Okay, so we're finished applying the acrylic and this is what it looks like. I'm just going to cure this for 90 seconds and we're going to go in with a file to shape it up a bit. Now I'm going to go in with this drill bit just to smooth the acrylic and to file down the acrylic close to the cuticle area a bit. So I went ahead and washed my hands and now I'm going to go in with this nail buffer just to remove any roughness that may be on the nails. Y'all know me, I know my favorite color is green. So I decided to go in with some green glitter. I applied the glue to the areas that I wanted the glitter to stick, and I just dipped my fingernail into the glitter. I'm gonna use a sponge to clean up the areas that I do not want the glitter. Now I'm gonna go in with some clear top coat. I'm going to cure and add a few beads, and let's get into the finished product.
Taking check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
Okay guys, this is what the nails turned out to look like. I really love them. Please leave a comment down below saying if you like them as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.